After the twist, we come to wave. We can create a wave along the hair from the root to the tip. If you activate it, make sure the segment of your hair is high to better see these. And we can go to the thickness and make it a little bit more dense to better seeing the wave. Going to the wave, you can increase or decrease amount of your wave, variation in each hair, scale X. You can see a scale in a Y and a scale in X of your wave. You can increase or decrease that. Scale amount of Y. You can see them. This is amount, strength of this wave. You can increase or decrease of that. Because of the variation, some of the hair are 0 and some of the hair are 100% of the way. But if you want, you can access to more. You can give the wave from the root. it is 0. It's going wave aligned to the tip, and in the tip we have more wave. So if you want 100% of wave from root to the tip, you can make curve 100% at the root, going exactly the same to the tip. Or if you want, you can make it vice versa. 0 wave at the tip. You can make it if you want. So this is curve you can hold in control at any point here. Again, texture is a black and white code that you can give along the surface. For example, gradient in the white area, we have 100. I will show you. Frequency or fuzz. For fuzz, it's a twist. Look at this image. The wave is like a sine wave. And the fuzzing is this. It's the beginning of that wave. For example, begin from here or begin from this curve. Fuzzing means where this wave beginning from the root. So you cannot see any different here, but just it's moving this sine wave along the tip to the root, or the root to the tip. Imagine a sine wave and it's beginning from anywhere along that sine wave. But the thing that you can see here is the frequency. Make it better quality of the hair. You can see, you see more frequency of the hair. If you increase the number of the frequency, we have more in Y, along the Y or along the X. You can control how much this wave do you want. Frequency is this in the real world. More frequency, we have a smaller wave, and less frequency, we have bigger wave. Gain texture, you can see it gives all the way along all the surface, but you can control it, for example, with the black and white code. You can see in a black area we don't have any wave. With the gradients, we are going to 100% of wave, that is white code. That's it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.